Here we have a brand new environmental chamber that's just been installed here at ANZIC by Weiss Technik. It's a 28 metre cube chamber, and that allows us to control temperature and humidity. So temperature all the way from -55 right up to 95 degrees, and humidity from 10 to 95% relative humidity.
So this particular environmental chamber here that we have at ANZIC has a reverse osmosis unit which filters the water. So outside we also have a chiller unit. So the chiller unit supplies chilled water into the compressors inside the unit to allow us to get to the different temperature ranges that we need. So what we also have on this unit is these portholes here. So these bungs can actually be removed, and that allows us to put in potentially power cables or different ancillary cables to bits of equipment that we want to test in here. So as well as testing the temperature and humidity of the kit in isolation, we can have the device under test powered up, or have other ancillary services into the unit that will allow it to be tested under the power rating or different ratings that will be applied within the environmental test chamber. This environmental chamber can be controlled remotely through the remote software for the unit, but it can also be controlled here at the workstation in front of the environmental chamber. So here we can control all the different modes, temperature settings, humidity settings, and the different load profiles that can be carried out. Here at ANZIC we can use PNDC's megawatt capability or megawatt power supplies to feed potential device under test, units under test that would sit within the environmental chamber. So that could be, for example, an inverter, could be a rectifier, could be some sort of transformer, any type of equipment that may be going into installations for LV networks of the future, for example. And we can use the power supplies to power and have that real world type scenario within the environmental chamber, testing at different temperatures and humidities. So here at ANZIC we can use our 1 megawatt dynamometer capabilities to test potential marine and aerospace applications, and then we can also use our environmental chamber here to test those same subsystems or systems within a temperature and humidity controlled environment to really give that full real world package and application and validation.
It's a real expansion to our testing and demonstration capability here at ANZIC, and it will serve all three of PNDC's focus areas, so decarbonisation of heat, decarbonisation of transport, and advanced power networks. So it's a highly flexible, highly capable piece of equipment, and we're really excited to get to work using it.